If you want to feed your pet with a gentle and motherly way, pet feeding bottles are the best option for you. These bottles create the ability to drink via suckling, through the syringe and nipple. These bottles drip food into the pet's mouth very slowly without causing any harm, and help your pet to grow effortlessly. We have selected and reviewed the best pet feeding bottles for you. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1. TML All Pet Nursing Bottle. It is the best suited solution for small, neonates, weak and old mammals. The mini pet nipple is designed for newborn bunnies, rabbits, newborn kittens, puppies and other animals with a shorter snout and such size. These nipples have been designed to far outlast, with less chance of small sharp teeth piercing the nipple. They are washable and reusable, and come with convenient pre-made holes, which is easy for you to feed little animal. They help you to keep your little one healthy by feeding them a proper food. It comes with mini nipple, syringe and feeding nursing bottle for kittens, pet and wildlife. Number 2. Chiadin Pet Nursing Bottle with Kit. It is an ideal solution for orphaned or newborn pets, which have not yet grown their teeth. It can be used for kittens, puppies, hamster, chinchillas, squirrels, rabbits and more. Its nipple is soft yet durable so that the pet cannot chew them, and helps you to meet the needs of each stage of newborn pet. It is made of 100% food-grade imported material, and free from harsh chemical and other toxic elements. The package contains 2-ounce bottle, 1 bottle brush, 1 needle and 5 nipples. All these features make it more safe for all types of pet. Number 3. Pet Nursing Kit by Furry. This silicone nipple has pre-formed holes for maximum flexibility, and to control milk intake of food. It is suitable for puppies, kittens and wild animals. These nipples are made of high molecular weight silicone, and are very durable, so sharp baby teeth cannot damage them. Its unique material and design meet the need of all newborn pet. Its 5 ml bottle and syringes are made of light-proof material, which can effectively prevent the drug from producing photosynthesis, and also avoid infection. The package contains versatile nipple with different syringe and a pet bottle. It helps you to take care of your fur baby, while giving them a motherhood love. Number 4. Pet AG Nursing Kit for All Pet. It is specially designed for hand-feeding puppies, kittens and other newborn small animals. Its nipple provides duplicate milking action of mother's nipple, to give mother-like feel. The feeding bottle conveniently marked in tablespoon measurements, for accurate feeding, so that your fur baby can grow healthy, and avoid overdose of food. The complete kit is washable and reusable, as they are made with high quality and durable material to provide long-lasting effect. The package comes with 2-ounce bottle, soft nipples and cleaning brush. Number 5. Pet Feeding Bottle by Furry. The bottle is designed with scale indicators, which makes it easier to control the intake of food, and prevent feeding from being too high or too low. The nipple texture is durable and the gel material is soft and flexible, which make it safe and non-toxic for environment. All the kit items can be reused for a better long-lasting experience. Its special nipple helps you to avoid cross-infection, and provide better healthy experience for pets. It comes with a special bottle brush for easy and convenient cleaning of the inner wall of the bottle.